Hi, this is Mrs. Dedecker here to show you how you're going to do your mom's ABC project in your technology class. First of all, you want to make sure you're in your technology classroom in Google Classroom. This also applies for third tech. I'm just demonstrating using the fourth tech class. So within the fourth tech class, you have these tabs up here, one called Stream, Classwork, and People. You want to click on the classwork tab, and then your newest assignment should be at the top here. It is called Q4-03 or whatever. It would actually have the title Mom's ABCs Using Slides assignment. So you just simply click on it, and you can get more detail on it just by clicking this view button. And within the view button, I do have a description here that tells you generally what you're going to be doing. You're going to be creating about 30 slides, but the slides are already in place for you. They're actually, all 30 slides are already in the template here. You will just be adding sentences about your mom to each one of the slides. And once you finish all of your sentences for each slide, like they all have a letter of the alphabet, so you're going to have A through Z. And then within there, and I think it might be best to show you the actual example. So here I'm going to click on, so this is your work. So you would be coming in as a student and you want to click under your work. And then within there, there's actually this video is right here. So you could click on it and watch it again. And then here's an example. I think this example is just really great at actually doing a good job at actually displaying what you're going to actually create. So here you have, if you click on this, it'll bring it up on a brand new tab. And you can see more specifics. It has a lot of this stuff in the template itself. Like all these letters will be in the template already. You just need to simply fill in some parts of it. So for the beginning here, it's kind of hard to see, I realize. Let's see if we can make it bigger. So here we put your name in here and then the current date. And then this is where you're going to insert your picture of your mom or significant person who plays your mom role. And then you just leave everything else the same as what it is, and then you're gonna go to the first slide, which this information will not be in there. You're gonna actually create these sentences. So you could put like, you are awesome because you make my lunch, or you are active because you play outside with me. And then you could put a picture of somebody playing outside or someone making the lunch in this case. Now, what I want you to do though is I want you to write all of your sentences, which are going to always start with you are, and then some personality trait that begins with the letter that's up in the corner here. So we're in the letter A here, so you want something starting with the letter A. So you're probably wondering, where do I get these words that start with A that could kind of help you? Well, we're going to go in, we can actually leave this tab up so that you can see how it's done, because I basically want you to actually fill in all of your sentences before coming back and doing the clip art portion. So I'm going to go back to my individual file here, and then I'm just going to follow the instructions. First, you want to type your name and current date on that slide 3. So here we have instructions on the first two slides. So we're just going to read the first two slides and then start doing the work right in the slides starting at slide 3. So you can see I have the A here, and I even give you the start of your sentences. So you're going to say, you are awesome. So not only do you need to type in your name first, and you want to also include a picture of your mom. So let's do that step first. So now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to replace this question mark with my name, and I'm just going to pretend my name is Anaya. Johnson, just for the sake of example. So you're going to put your name in here. You're not going to put this name. And then you just put the current date. So today is 5/4/2021. And if I want to stretch that out to just kind of be on one line, I can just drag my text box. And then here's where you're going to insert the picture of your mom. Now, if you got a picture, your mom sent me a picture, then I shared it with you. So you can easily just delete this box, and then you can go in Insert, Image, and you can go onto the drive. And this is where I may have shared it with you. What shared with me, and then you look for the picture that looks like your mom, and then you just click on it, and then this little blue box down here shows up, and you just need to click this insert kind of button there, and there the picture comes in. And if it's just a little bit too big, you can just make it slightly smaller and move it over, and then move it to the center. It looks pretty nice there. And then you got your mom's picture. Next, you're gonna go back to your instructions. So you want to make sure you do these in order. So you want to do the next step, which would be here, slide 4 through 29. You're going to insert a text box and type sentences about your mom using the positive personality traits, adjectives. So I can actually click on this and bring this up in a brand new tab so I have access to this to make it even easier for myself. Oops, as a matter of fact, I don't know why this is not open a new tab. Here we can click here to open it into a new tab. So here's where you could start looking for your examples of what. So like here for the letter A, let's just pop back here. The letter A, awesome starts with the letter A, and then you can just simply say you are awesome because you make my lunch. Or you could use another word that starts with A, like here it has the word active. So you could put that in here, and you could put active because you maybe play outside with me. And then for the letter B, so we want to just do all of our sentences first, and you really don't even have to add a new text box. You can use these ones that are here and just start entering your sentences. So here you are, what starts with the letter B? You can just go to your positive personalities, and you can say, oh, you could say you're a blessing or brave or bright or brilliant. Brilliant sounds good, so I'm going to just click on that. You are brilliant because, and you always have to type in the word because, you help me, maybe help me with my homework. That would be a good sentence. So then once you got done with the B sentence, you just go to the C. So you are, what's a good word that starts with C? There's lots of good, calm, capable. You can come up with any sentence that you want using any of these words starting with C, or one of your own. So here I'm going to use the word caring. So I'm going to go back here, and you are caring because, always have to use that word because, you make me feel better when I'm sick. That sounds like a good one. So then that would be that. And then continuing on, and as you can see, we have the whole entire alphabet here. So, and you can just do a few at a time per class period. You don't have to finish this all in one sitting. Then once you are done entering all your sentences, so you have to do your sentences first, then you want to come back up to the top and starting with A, you're active because you play outside with me. Well, now you can start to enter some clip art. So here I'm going to enter some clip art by clicking the Insert menu, and then I'm going to search the web. So see how I have image and then search the web. And then it brings up another panel over here, and you can search for anything you like, playing outside. And you can actually click as you start to type things. If you see what you want to be looking for, you can just click on it. And here, oh, and here's a nice picture. So I'm just clicking on it to select it, and then this blue box area comes up, and you just click the insert at the bottom. And then it brings the picture in, and that looks great. And you can move it by just clicking on it and moving it. And if you want to size it, you always go from the corners. So you can always size from the corners, and you can size out as well. So that looks good. Now we can go to the B one, and now because you helped me with my homework, so maybe I want to search for homework. So you're going to click on the insert menu, image, and then search the web. And then it still saves what I had in there before, but now I want to look for homework. And you can click on the homework clip art. So we can just kind of put, you like any of these pictures. Let's see, what's a good one? Maybe one of these. This looks cute. And then insert. And there we got that. And then that, I think you get the idea. You're going to just find pictures. If you can't find a picture, don't worry, you can skip that. We kind of are looking for at least 10 or 15 out of the 26 to have pictures. So it's more important to have your sentences about your mom for each of these. So when you're done with all of that, then at the very last slide, you can just put your name in here. Just click here and put in, so I'm going to just put Anaya Johnson, just to put a name in there, and then you would be all done. And it always saves your file, so when you close it, you can always come back in and work on it. So I hope that helps you. Thanks a lot. Bye.